Sick of getting rejected like your text at 2 a.m.? Here's how to start a business where no one can reject you. Tip number one, automate everything. Why work when you can let technology do it for you? Set it up once and boom, you're chilling while your business runs like that one friend who's always too busy to hang out. No more cold calling. We're not here to beg Karen to buy our stuff. With automation, people come to you. So put that phone down. You're not calling your ex at 3 a.m. Tip number three, rejection free. Forget those sorry, not interested emails. Your system does the work, and all you hear is crickets. Nope, just the sweet sound of sales notifications. Cha-ching! So if you want to run a business without ever hearing the word no, follow me for more tips and start your rejection-free journey today. Your ego will thank you.